Why are people talking about UFOs again? In the past, most people thought UFOs were just part of science fiction or strange conspiracy theories, but now more people are taking the idea seriously. Some pilots and government workers have said they saw things in the sky that did not look like planes or drones. Because of this, the media and even the government have started to pay attention. Recently, the United States and other countries have created teams to study these reports. One group in the US is called AERO, and it looks at flying objects that cannot easily be explained. Most of the time, there is a simple reason for what people saw, like a weather balloon or a camera problem. But sometimes the answer is not clear. Even though there is no proof that aliens are visiting Earth, people are more open to asking questions. They want to understand what is happening in the sky. This does not mean they believe everything they hear, but it shows that talking about UFOs is no longer seen as strange or silly.